Welcome guys to TECHEONICS. My name is Gaurav and in this video we are going to work on Maxonar sensor. So let's get started. Welcome back guys to another amazing video. In this video we are going to work with Maxonar EZ0 ultrasonic sensor. These sensors are from Maxbotics. These sensors can detect object from 0 inches to 254 inches. First we have the VCC pin. We can power up this sensor from 3 volts to up to 5 volts. Then we have the ground pin. Then we have the PW pins, means pulse width modulation pin. And then we have the TRX and RX pin for serial communication, and then we have the analog pin. I recommend you guys don't use the analog interface on this sensor because the accuracy is much lesser compared to the PWM or the serial communication. So I prefer to use the PWM or the serial interface for the communication. In this video as well I am going to use the PWM interface for this sensor. And if you want to explore the analog and the serial communication option in this sensor, then you can check out the article. Link is in the description below. This is the code for the Maxonar sensor using the PWM interface to communicate with the microcontroller. So if you want to use this Maxonar sensor without any library, so this code works perfectly fine. But as you can see, this code is quite complex. So we can use another code with a library. As you can see here, this is the code with a Sonar library. It is quite easy and simple. But for this, you need to download Sonar EZ0 PW library. Just download this library link from the link in the description below and just paste it right here, documents Arduino library, and just paste this library right here in the library folder of Arduino. And as you can see here, we declare the pin 7 or same as previous code. Just code it. To scale, now we've moved to 15. Yeah, it's working great. Let's move a little bit back. 20, almost correct. As you see, this is working really great. Now let us add a LCD module to see the output on it. This is the code for Maxonar sensor with LCD. Here we include the liquid crystal I2C library for the LCD and the Maxonar library. We declare the addresses of the LCD, pin for the Maxonar, and here we start the LCD initiate backlight, and here we are printing on it. So let's just upload a code, connect the Arduino, select the Arduino board and the port, and upload it. So hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have any question related to the Maxonar sensor, then do let us know in the comment section below. Or you can also check out our detailed vlog on Maxonar sensor on our website. The link is in the description below. Do not forget to like and share the video. Also subscribe. So first of all, we need to set up a channel on ThinkSpeak website to get our data on it. So let's get started. First of all, go to ThinkSpeak network and then go to my channels. As you can see here, I already created a channel for this project. So let me show you how you can create your channel. First, go to my channels. So right here, type the name of your channel, whatever you want. And here you can type the description of your channel, and then here you can select how many fields you need for your project. Like here we are getting 4 sensor outputs: temperature, humidity, BM280 temperature, and atmosphere pressure. So we have to select 4 of this. Now name these fields. Like number 1 is temperature, number 2 is humidity, and then is going to be temperature 2, like temperature of BM 280, and then this is going to be atmosphere pressure. That's all. Show the status and click on save. And here you have a channel. For our code we need a write API key. From here, API key section, we will get this write API key, which we are going to use in our code to write the data on this channel. As you can also get this line of code from here, which you have to add on the Arduino code. And these are some other settings like channel settings. From here you can edit your feeds, etc., and you can clean your data or delete your channel. So that's all in this ThinkSpeak part. Now jump to the coding part. Here is a code for our project. Right here I define some of the libraries for the sensor, like BM280 sensor library and DTS sensor library. Here I define the pin of DTS sensor, and here I define, and for BMP82 sensor, this sensor using I2C pins of your controller. Whether you are using ESP32 or Arduino, you can connect this sensor to your I2C pins. Here we are storing the sensor value to H and T, and in this part it is printing onto the serial monitor. And here the BMP sensor, and in this part we are storing the data of BMP280 sensor to I and J character, and then displaying it to the serial monitor. And from here these parts start for the GSM module. Like here we have to set a APN for our SIM provider. Like I'm using VI SIM, so I'm using here WW, and if you are using some other SIM like Airtel, then you can use their APN. Like for Airtel, this is this. Like for Airtel, we can use airtelgps.com, and it's totally depend on what SIM you are using. You can search for it on Google, you can easily find it. And from this part we are requesting it to connect to the ThinkSpeak website. And here is the part where we have to paste our API key of Things network channel, which you can get from here. Just go to your channel and then API keys, and you can copy this from here, or you can get this code of line from here. just copy it and paste it here. Then we have to define the fields which we are using. Like in our case we are using 4 fields, so I have to define the fields 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. And then I have the temperature and humidity I am storing into T and H, and the temperature and atmospheric pressure of BMP I am storing into I and J. So I have to declare that character here, and that's all in this code. So let's upload this into our circuit. Let's upload this code to the ESP. First, connect the ESP. Now select the board. In our case we are using ESP module, so I'm going to select and then select the port. In my case this is COM5, and we have to press upload. Now press the boot button on the ESP, and done. The code is uploaded on the ESP. Open the serial monitor and press the reset button on the ESP, and here we can see the values of BMP and here we can see the values of DTH and the BMP sensor values. Here the SIM module start connecting to the network, connecting to the APN. Now it's going to send the data, and here it send the data to the channel, and it's get a feedback from the channel. Send OK. So just jump to the channel, and here you can see we get a data: temperature, time and date, humidity level, BMP temperature, and the atmosphere pressure. So as you can see, now it's going to upload the data again. On ThinkSpeak network, after every 50 seconds the data will be updated. If you want more real-time data on it, then you have to upgrade your plan. Like here, it send the data, and yeah, here we get it, like the temperature increase. As you can see, humidity levels also increase in the room. On BMP it show the same, and atmospheric pressures also increase. You can change the pattern of your graph as you wish. So as you can see in this video, we easily get the data of these two sensors, and we are able to upload the sensor data to ThinkSpeak network using this GSM module right here. So hope you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this, then do subscribe to TECHEONICS and hit that like button. See you next one.